I'll show you 5 noteworthy perks that members might not be fully aware of. The first one, there's 0% interest loan during federal shutdowns. So, during the 2019 government shutdown, the Navy Federal Credit Union provided a 0% interest loans to approximately 16,000 federal employees, offering advance on missed paychecks ranging from $250 to $6,000. This initiative compensated Navy Federal's Credit Union commitment to committing its members during financial hardship. The second one, there's enhanced travel rewards with flagship credit card. So, the revamped Navy Federal Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Card offers a couple of things. First off, it's 3 points per dollar on travel-related spending, including airfare, hotels, ride shares, trains, passes, cruises, golf courses, amusement parks, and also aquariums. There's also 2 points per dollar on all other purchases as well. There's no foreign transaction fees, points that never expire, and there's also up to $100 statement credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. The next one, there's waived annual fee from the first year on flagship card. So the flagship rewards credit card has a $49 annual fee, which is waived from the first year. This allows new cardholder to experience the card's benefit without an initial cost. The fourth one, there's a comprehensive travel spending categories. So the flagship rewards card travel category is expansive, covering not just traditional expensive like airfare and hotels, but also rideshare, train passes, cruises, golf course, amusement park, and aquariums. The fifth one, there's no foreign transaction fees. So for members who travel internationally, the absence of foreign transaction fees on the flagship rewards card can lead to significant saving, as many cards charge fees for purchases made abroad.